your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacham Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidyakena Yopakarotam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in today's session. Before we go to a new lesson, we'll have a quick surprise test. Take a fresh page and keep all the other notebooks closed where you have your notes quickly. And what we have learned so far, do we remember that we will test already? Don't see anything. So we are going to write
Excuse
some
me, Varsha
simple.
ma'am. I cannot see the screen.
No, you don't have to see. I'm not writing anything on the screen.
Okay.
I'm not writing anything on the screen. It's a quick dictation test we are going to have to see how much we remember. So those who are having the cameras off, please switch your cams also on. And then we go ahead. Okay. So the first word, let's start with Gajanana. Please write. Do not refer any notes. Gajanana. Gajanana. First word, Gajanana. Anita, you have joined now late. Please open your book, a fresh new page. All other notes to be closed. We are having a surprise dictation test. First word is Gajanana. Anita Kumar, who's joined now, please write that word and leave all the cams open so that I know y'all are there. Second word, Ganesha. Ganeshaha. Ganeshaha. First word, Indra Rangaswamy, you can open your cam. Ganeshaha. Vinay also can open the cam. Indra Rangaswamy and Vinay only are with the closed cam. Ganeshaha. Gajanana was the first word. Second word is Ganeshaha. Third word, Sumukhaha. 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 Next word, fourth word, Vasudevaha. 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 Next word, Devi. 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 Next word, Guru. 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 Have we finished how many? 7? Did we finish 7 or we finish 6?
6.
6. Okay. 7th word, Ramaha. 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 8th word, Hanumanaha. Hanumanaha. 8th word, Hanumanaha. Hanumanaha. 9th word, Kamalam. 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 10th word, Charanam. 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 Eleventh word, Devam. 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 12th word, Rakshasaha. 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 Excuse me. 12th word, Rakshasaha. 13th word, Kshiram. 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 14th word, Bharatam. Bharatam. And last and the final word, 15th word, Moksham. Moksham. Take a picture of what you have written and post it in the group. I'm opening the group right now. Later on, you might not be able to post it. So immediately post it off. So the group is open.
Madam, this is my first class today. So am I supposed to post it?
You can, if you have written, you can post.
Okay, okay.
No. Once done, let me know. I can see messages coming in the group. Have everybody posted? 15 of us are here. So at least 14 messages should be there. All done? Okay. So what did we do now? We just recollected whether we remember the alphabets or not. We recollected, are we able to listen to the sound and write? So all this I will correct, and I'll let the previous ones also there are corrections pending, but this we will correct. Because today we are going to learn how to write conjuncts. Before knowing how to join the plain words, if we try to go for conjunct, it's not going to be a good sign. So that's why we did this small test for ourselves, that if we listen to a sound, do we remember those alphabets? And it will tell us if it's not if we are not remembering it, then we need to practice some more. Nevertheless, now we are going for a new aspect, how to write the conjuncts. So now let's first revise. We have k, kh, g, gh, ng, ch, ch, j, jh, ñ. This was Kanthya. This is Talavya. Then Murdhani. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Then Dantya. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Then we have Oshtya. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. Then we have Avargiya. Ya, ra, la, va. Then we have sibilants. Sh, sh, sa. And then we have aspirant. Ha. Then we have special conjunct characters already that we have learned. Kra, Nya, Tra, Shra. And one Vedic character, L. So many characters we have learned so far. Okay. Now we will see how to write a conjunct. Conjunct means mixing two consonants together. How do we combine the consonant? For example, if we take the word Lakshmi. So Lakshmi. So me you are hearing full, la you are hearing full. But that lak, that was half. Lakshmi. It was not Laksha. It was not Lakshmi. It was Lakshmi. Or if we say Saraswati, we are not saying Saraswati. Saras, that sir was half. So how do we combine such consonants? So now I'll bring your attention to two characters. One is K and one is P. These two characters, they have a middle line. Okay. Let me just spotlight myself. Okay. So, K and the P are the only two alphabets where they have a center line. This center line. So when for these two alphabets, what we do is so the center line is there. We do the center line. We write the K. We go to the other side and we don't complete. We leave it half. Okay. And let's say we want to join another K. We write that K over there and then complete the K. So if we have to join K to something, then which is half, then this is going to be like this much only. So this is our full sign, and we just don't write this. So this gives how to write K half when we are going to combine, when we have to write a kanch. Same thing follows for P. So we write the P and we don't go and complete it. We just leave it over there half. And let's say we want to write K alphabet over there. Then we join. So this touches the next alphabet. This alphabet can be any alphabet, but we are learning how to write half K. So this, maybe there is T coming to it. Maybe, maybe there is M coming to it. Any alphabet. So the point to remember is this much is only, so you don't go and complete it, you leave it half. So this is for the center line. If the line is in the center, then you don't do the last quarter of it and you attach the next alphabet to it. This is how you will join the half K if you want the sound, or half P sound you want. Okay. This is one part. Now what happens? Now let us focus our attention on those who are ending with the line. See, K is ending with the line. G is ending with the line. G is ending with the line. N is not ending with the line. Sh is ending with the line. Ch is ending with the line. Ch is not ending with the line. J is ending with the line. J is ending with the line. Mu is ending with the line. Sh is ending with the line. T is not ending. Th is not ending. No. N is ending with the line. S is ending with the line. Are you understanding what I'm saying? They're ending. That alphabet is ending with the line. T is ending with the line. Th is ending with the line. The is not having. The is having the line. No is having the line. H is not having. pa is having the line. Pa is not. Pa's line is in the center, which we learned with ka. Ba is ending with a line. Bha is ending with a line. Ma is ending with a line. Ya is ending with a line. Tra is ending with a line. Ra is not ending with a line. Nya is ending with a line. La is ending with a line. Tra is ending with a line. Wa is ending with a line. Shra is ending with a line. La is not ending. Are we understanding what I'm trying to say? What is ending with the line? So when we have to join such words, the one that is ending with the line, then only that line disappears. So what is our rule? The one which is ending with the line, that line should disappear. So let's say ta. So ta, full is like this, correct? So if we have to write the conjunct of it, then this line should disappear. So only this remains. And then the next can be, let's say you want to add another ta to it. Or let's say you want to add ma to it. Or let's say you want to add ka to it. So only the line disappears. For example, let's say atma. So we know how to write at. So I'm not saying ta full. So atma, ma and a. Like that. I just gave an offhand example. When atma, I'm not saying atama. Atama is not said. Atma. So ta was half. So ta half will be, so anything for that matter, anything that is ending with the line, if kha we write like this, right? So kha's line will disappear. And ya will come. Let's say. Or gha. Ma can come. Anything. Na. Another na can come. Only that line is disappearing and the next alphabet comes and attaches on it. Like anna, food, annam. So annam. Are we clear? So all these alphabets, so many alphabets we saw which are ending with the line, all of them, that the ones which end the line will have, so ka, kha we saw, ka, kha, ga, gha, n, cha, cha, ja, jha, n, da, 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 na, ta, tha, da, dha, na. See, pa is like this. So pa's this line will go. Okay. And na is like this. Na's this line will go. So the difference is very subtle. Let's say you want to say appa. So pa is only half like this. And then appa has come. Appa. But anna is like this. So what happens? Na should go full. Na should go like this. Anna. They can touch each other. No problem. But the difference is pa is like this. Na is like this. So if we don't touch like this, or if we go up, then it is going to be like this. So we have to make sure we know how we are writing. Pa is like this, na is like this. Doesn't touch, not touching. Na. Please remember, only that character's only line disappears. Rest whole thing is going to remain. So for pa and na, you will have to remember how that character without the line is going to be. So where were we? Pa is not in this. Pa, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra is not there. La, va, sh, sh. See now. So sh will be, this is our sh. So when the line will disappear, it is going to appear only like this. So pa is going to look like this. Na is going to look like this. And sh is going to look like this. You have to be very careful. Only the line is disappearing. This you should not forget. The other whole character remains as it is. So we'll go and complete this. So wa, sh, ya, ra, la, va, sh. Then sa, that line only goes. Ya, ra, la, va, sh, sa, ha, sh, tra, nya. What else is remaining? Over here, I didn't write ana, right? Over here. Ana is there one. Any doubts so far? Anybody wants to ask any question? Not understood.
Ma'am, please post it in the. Ma'am, post it in the group, ma'am. I'm not able to see. I'm seeing the phone.
Why you are seeing the phone? I am marked over here already.
Miss, that board is not visible for me, ma'am. The half letters.
What is on your screen?
Miss, that half you have written, no, ma'am. That leaving the line, I'm not able to see it.
So what is on your screen? What are you seeing on your screen is the question.
Miss, that board is not visible, no, ma'am. So please post it in the group halfwards.
Okay, so the board is not visible. What is on the screen visible? I'm asking. What is there on your screen?
Ma'am, that half and full and another full like that, no? Half
Okay, so
like
okay, so okay, fine. Means the screen is visible, but the clarity is not there. Okay, fine. So
yes,
I'm thinking that you are not seeing at all. So that's why I was asking, what are you seeing? So are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Clear? All done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So only removing of the line happens. Nothing else happens over there. Only the line gets removed. But I'll nevertheless, before I erase, I'll take a screenshot. Okay, I'm erasing this now. Okay, so now what remains? This is a remaining alphabet. This is remaining. Whole of this is remaining, except the Anunasik. H is remaining. R is remaining. R is remaining. Where there is no line.
The.
Yeah. The is also remaining. Where there is no line. Rest everything we have completed. Means if it is a center line, we write about, 80-90% of the alphabet, and last little bit we don't write for k and p. All ending with the line, we lose the line. Okay. Now what happens to those alphabets which doesn't have a line? Ng, ch, t, t, d, d, h, r, l. So there are two ways that you can do for this. Let's say for the t varga. So t, there is no line. Okay. So two ways we can do. We can write this t half as a halanta and then another t. So this shows it is half. Or we write t and we write it below it. So same thing, t. Either we write t halanta with t, or we write t one below other. The both ways, predominantly you will see writing one below the other. The no. No will come mostly as an anuswara. So you will mostly write like this only. Tuna will not come. Na will come like this. Ra also will come mostly like this only. Ra, there are some ways the Ra is going to change, which we will learn later. Ra we will keep. What else is remaining? Yeah, and her. Her also we will keep like this only. These three we will keep separate. Ra we will see in some other rules. This is how you will write. So basically it's going to be looking one below the other. The one below the other. Okay. Any doubts in this? All clear? Easy? Now we will see most important factor, the R. How the changes in the R happen. I'll erase this. Anybody has to question anything on this? Okay. The R part is a bit tricky aspect. Couple of things we will have to remember. Now I will take Let's say my name, Varsha. It is not Varasha. Varasha is not there. Varsha. R is half. Got it? What I'm spelling? V-A-R-S-H-A. So it's Varsha. Var. So the moment you're saying Var, there is only half R. After R, there is no swara. It's half. Varsha. It is not Varasha. After R, there is no swara. All understood so far? So, Va we know how to write. This R, half R, is going to go on the next alphabet. Next alphabet is Sha. So, Varsha, Sha, and this R half is put on this like this. So, when you don't have a swara next, it goes on the next alphabet like this, like a C. So, this is Varsha. Let's say Surya. Su, we know how to write Sa, Dirgha U, Su, Surya. So it is not Surya, correct? Surya. So there is no swara after R. So we write here and you put Rekha on top. So this is called as Rekha. Rekha. So this Rekha is the R half. When there is no when there is no swara after, it goes up on the next alphabet like this. Okay. Any questions? All clear. Now I'm going to give you one word called as Prakash, means light. What happens over here? Prakash. There is a swara after R, correct? Are you seeing that? Prakash. Is there after the R. All attention over here now. So, when there is a swara after the R, it doesn't go up. This means there is no swara. It's not Varasha. If it was Varasha, then we would have written Varasha only. So it's Varsha. So this half R goes on top. Okay. Now for Prakash, there is a swara. So we write the spur and the rekha, that rekha, which is having this swara, it comes down over here. So this is pra, then we know ka, a, praka, sh. This is normal sh. Prakash. Let's say prasad. What do we do for prasad now? Bhagwan's prasad we eat. So, pa, so pra is having a vowel after that. So it's going to come over here. Pra, sa, the, prasad. So this going up is when there is no vowel. This coming down is when there is vowel after the alphabet. This is for the R. How to write R half. Let's say the word Kirtan. So you are hearing the sound Kirtan. So we are spelling Kirtan. Okay, Kirtan. So now what happens? After R, there is no swara. Kirtan. So we know Ka, Ki. So we did Ki. Kir. So there is no swara. It has to go up. Up of what? Next alphabet is ta. Kir, ta. So kirtanam. Na. So kirtanam. Kirtanam. So this repha is going up. Let's take a word. Karma. Our actions. Karma. What happens with karma? Again, there is no swara, correct? So karma, ma, and on top of it. So we read karma, karma. Our actions. What do we call for a sequence? Krama. Karma is different, krama is different. Now what happens over here? Krama. Is there after ra. So ka, and this becomes kra. And this is ma. This is kar, and this is kra. Kar, kra. Are we clear now? Kar sound and kra sound. In kar, there is no vowel after ra. In kra, there is a vowel after ra. So when there is no vowel, it goes up. When there is a vowel, it comes down. Are we clear? Anybody now having any questions? Okay, fine. Now nobody is having any questions. So let's do some alphabets.
I
I'll take a picture.
I raised
Huh.
hand, I don't know.
Sorry, I didn't see. Sorry, I didn't see. Please tell me.
So
Please
I'm
ask.
confused about this. You wrote Kirtanam. So I'm not sure why the Kirtanam has that half ma at the end.
No,
and
no. I means I added. It need not be because the word over there is kirtan. It should stop over here. But if I completed as a Sanskrit word, kirtan is kirtan like this. So kirtanam.
But why that ma cannot be a dot on top of the na?
Because
if-
because it's not in the middle of a sentence or something.
Oh, okay.
So when we write a standalone word, we will not put a dot.
Okay. Thank you.
And again, to put a ma or a dot depends upon what is the next alphabet after that.
that I
If
was
next alphabet is, let's say, why I'm not there? Okay, sorry. Kirtanam is the word. So ma. Okay. If this is not the kirtan, if we write also, it is like this. Okay. It is a rule of Sanskrit. When you have one word to write, you put, okay, halantama. But if it is a continuous, then you put a dot. But let us say after the dot, you say kirtanam, kirtanam. Let's say anything is having a vowel. We want to say kirtanam alam, let's say. Enough of kirtan. Then this dot will go. And ma only should come because next is a swara. So that is a rule that we can learn later. It's no point in taxing yourself now today. If it is any swara coming as a next alphabet, ma has to come. If there is no swara, something else, a consonant is there. Kirtanam karaniyam or kirtanam kuru. So ka is not a swara. So then this ma should not be there. Then it should be a dot.
So when there is a dictation, then it has to end with just single word dictations. It will end with a ma and a halanta.
Correct. If any end of the sentence or any standalone word, or if the next word is swara, it's going to be a halantama. Middle of a sentence and the next alphabet is a consonant, then it's going to go as a anuswara. Okay, good question. Then now I'll just take a picture so that I can post it in the group later. I'll just give few words, and then the homework is I'm going to give you the audio and you all will be taking a dictation. Like that's what we did in the starting of this. So you will know now how to go about the dictation, because these alphabets I'm going to say very slowly and give it as a dictation. But before that, let us practice. How do we start the prayer? Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Now we know how to write Om. And depression. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Then we say what? Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Sina Saras Saha. That line would come. Saraswat Taha. Focus over here now. Saraswati. Saha. Sa's line has gone. Line has gone. Only this remains. So Saraswati. So Ta's line has gone. Only half remains. And here comes over there. Are you following? Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Okay. Then Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Shri Guru. See? Bhyo. Bhyo. Bha. Bhyo. Bhyo. It's not Guru Bhayo. Guru Bhyo. Bhyo. So we need Bhyo sound.
You stop irritating
No,
me.
I want to send my mail.
Yeah, you can.
Oh my God. Who is that unmuted? Bhyo. So bha ya. It is not bhayo. Bha is not full. Bha with the is not there. Bha is equal to bha half plus a. So now it's only bh. So when you are doing that, this bh is without the line. Bhyo. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Any doubts in these three? So when I will be giving the dictation, I'm going to say Guru Bhyo, Bhyo, Bhyo. So you should identify Bha, Bhyo, Bha, Bhyo, Saraswatyai, Swatyai. So when you break it yourself and when you're chanting it, you will realize which word was half. Saraswatyai. Okay. Let's go ahead. Om Shri Krishnaya Namaha. See? Kru. We know how to write Kru. Kru. That was in our Gunitakkshara. Kru. Krush. Krush. Shaha. Ana. Yeah. Om Shri Krishnaya Namaha. So what happens? Krishna. Got it? This our sh. This sh line disappears. Only this much remains. And na has come over there. So that becomes Krishnaya. Om Shri Vasudevaya Namaha. Vasudevaya. Straight. Om Namo Narayanaya. All words straight. You can try without looking at the board. Om Namo Narayanaya. Once right, then check your spelling. Om Namo Narayanaya. Okay. So with this, we stop over here for today. It's a very crucial stage we entered. From here onwards, it's going to be stories and words and things to read. So many things will happen from now onwards. Okay. Any questions, any doubts?
Just one clarification
Yes.
for the sir.
Hmm.
That line will come not at the center, right? Not at that joint. It comes on the top half. Is it
So,
for sir?
yeah, only see the line goes like this, no? So only this.
No. I'm saying that the whole alphabet. If you take the whole alphabet, that sir will never come. The line will never come at the joint, right? It comes on the belly. Okay.
Yeah. So
It comes on the
So-
belly.
yeah. So the remaining part is only this much.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Guruji,
Any? Yes.
so words like Narayana and Krishna, how do you know when to use a na and a na, like the one with
From the
you?
pronunciations. Krishnaya Namaha. Narayanaya. I'm not saying Narayanaya. So our pronunciations have to be clear. Na, see, tongue, it is a dental sound. Na, ra, ya, sorry. Na, ra, ya, na. See, na. Where did it touch? Murdhani sound. So, na is from the Tathada Varga, Murdhani Varga, cerebral Varga. Na. Dental varga. Ta, tha, da, dha, na, na, ra, ya, na. So you'll have to, that's why I have a very good vak shuddhi. If vani is shuddha, writing will be correct. And as you write, as you learn new words to write, the pronunciation has to go accordingly. Oh, Krishna, I have written like that. So Krishna, I have to say, not Krishna. It's not Krishna. Not Krishna. Krishna. Na. So you learn like that. Have I answered your question?
Thank you.
Most welcome. Okay. So your previous homework, of course, I'm going to check. Then today's test, I'll be checking. And then I'll be giving the dictation words as a homework. So then focus yourself. Wherever there is going to be dirgha, I will pronounce it dirgha. Like I said, Surya. I didn't say Surya. So you'll have to be alert to the Rasva dirgha aspects of it. Surya, Devi, Saraswati, Guru. I didn't say Guru. So if it guru, if there is something word, then the ru I will make it dirghan, I will say. So bring all the attention on that. Before I close, I'll just bring the attention on one word which I gave now was kshiram. So what did I say? Kshiram. So this was expected. So not shiram. So pronunciation, you will have to listen. Kshiram. Akshi. So Lakshmi. So where the ksh sound has to come and where the sh sound is there. Krishna, where the sh has come. Varsha, where the sh has come. So what I want you all to do now is, the first word is learn to write your own name. So let's see how many of you all can write the name. The group is still open, so I have not closed it. You all can write your name and post it over there in the group. Just one interesting aspect, whether you know to write your name or not after having this first lesson. So first try your own name and bless yourself. Okay, so with this, we end our session. We meet next Sunday. Keep your spine straight, close your eyes, take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in, hold it there. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Hari Om, everyone. Thank you.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
Hari Om. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Hari Om. Thank you.
Hari
Thank
Om.
you, Ji.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for your effort.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you.